Welcome back to the vacuum cleaner take apart. That piece I took out, I figured out how to get it out. There's a hole up here on top. Just push that plastic through and this whole thing just falls down. Just make sure you get that screw out. After that, I started working on the bottom leg part. The cover that went over there, took that off. That ran over there where the belt is. Comes off. This got the rollers on it. I already got one tire and wheel out. Get to see if this is magnet metal, and it's not. As you can see, it just falls right down. So that's just plastic. The tire and wheel came off of there. This goes up in there just like this. Just the roller, when you push the button, this thing pops up on the floor, or lay on the floor, however you want to call it. Just wanted to get that off, see if that was metal. Some of them do have metal, some of them don't. And if they do, there's got another clip in there that holds these tires and wheels from moving back and forth somewhere. Now I'm going to work on getting all this off. Letting this out, so that slides out. Then you take that rubber belt off. Might have a piece of metal in there. It looks like metal. It's a little heavy. Sit there with my plastic towel. Put the rest of this in here. Little stuff I just throw in the bag. That's my trash bag. I got this in case that bag just full. That rubber belt slides off that little clip inside there. It comes right off. If you ever want to get the number for a vacuum cleaner right there, there's the number 3031 123. And that belt was dated the 7th month, 9th day, 2010. That belt is 16 years old. 2026, and this still looking good shape, which I probably never use because I'm never planning on getting another one like this at all, because I got a robot vacuum cleaner. So I gotta get that off. That's a little clip holding that tire and wheel on. So now I just gotta work on getting this out. So I'll get back to you once I get more stuff taken apart. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.